Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the chart. Stay with me, let's check them out. As always, we are going to start with Bitcoin on daily time frame. For the past few days, I've been telling you actually Bitcoin is breaking the resistance to the upside one after each other. Now I told you if Bitcoin can break. Yesterday I told you if Bitcoin can break the $19,600 to the upside, actually we are going to see the $20,500 or $23,000 for Bitcoin. But what happened actually, the $19,600 was working as a really important resistance for Bitcoin, and after a fake pump to the upside, actually what we can see in here for the past 2 days, Bitcoin is breaking to the down and is falling to the downside actually, and going back below the supports we have got. The first resistance Bitcoin broke it really heavily. It was this one actually, which was about $17,725. It broke it in here, and for several times Bitcoin went back and tested this resistance and went up. The next resistance we had actually was about a $19,300 area, but Bitcoin couldn't broke this one to the upside actually, and after the failing of Bitcoin bulls, actually Bitcoin went back down and is now actually Bitcoin trading about the $16,700. If I go to my other chart, actually what we can see in here is actually, I told you maybe the second one is going to be around the $19,000 area. I told you Bitcoin is making 1, 2, 3x in orange, and actually the next one in white 1, 2, 3x, and I told you Bitcoin is going to make another 1, 2, 3x. The x of this one is going to be around the $30,000 for Bitcoin. Now we are going to see a rejection to the fall down. I think Bitcoin is going to go down to around the $13,500. Every time we see a bull run on a market, actually we need to expect a rejection of that market as well. Now the rejection I think is going to be not that fast, but for the next few weeks actually I'm expecting a big rejection. Bitcoin is falling down more to about the $13,000 area. If I go to my other chart, actually this one I need to show it to you on the 4-hour time frame. If you remember, I told you actually Bitcoin might going to make a double top, and after that we are going to see a dump from Bitcoin. What happened? I've been telling you for this 2 orange line, actually I told you Bitcoin is playing in this ascending broadening wedge. I told you for several times, I told you if Bitcoin can break this orange line to the upside, just let me zoom in for you. I told you for several times Bitcoin tried to break this the upper line of this rising broadening wedge to the upside actually, but it got failed for several times. Bitcoin tried that one, but last night actually we have seen another failure from Bitcoin actually, and what we can see in here actually, we have got a double top for Bitcoin. As I've been talking about that one for my past few days, I told you maybe Bitcoin make a double top, and actually I was expecting it maybe around a daily time frame or something like that, but I was expecting actually a double top for Bitcoin to break to the downside. Actually, if Bitcoin can get failed to break this resistance, which is about a $19,600 area to the upside, if Bitcoin got failed, maybe we are going to see a double top on Bitcoin, and after that Bitcoin is going to make a really big correction to the downside. As you can see on the video, actually we have uploaded on 24th of November, 2 days ago. I told you about this double top maybe we are going to see on Bitcoin chart. Now what's happened actually on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, about the $19,400 we had a double top on 4-hour time frame. If I go on the 1-hour time frame, actually we have got it's more obvious on the 1-hour time frame, but I'm not using 1-hour time frame actually that much. but as you can see on the 4-hour time frame, we have got a double top as well. I told you maybe we are going to see a very big dump after that, the double top on the a smaller time frame or bigger time frame. Actually, what we can see in here at the moment on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see on the chart, we have got still this broadening wedge with the orange lines. They are working really great for Bitcoin. Now what we can see in here, we have got a really good support for Bitcoin, as I told you, for this purple line in the middle of this broadening wedge actually is working really great. As you can see in here, this broadening wedge and this zone we have got in here, they are working as a really great support. What I'm expecting from Bitcoin to do, actually, I'm expecting after this big fall, which is about just let me check the percentage of this one, is going to be around 13% to the downside. I'm expecting another push from Bitcoin to go back to the upside. As you can see, we have got the red line in here, which was working as a really good support for Bitcoin, now is broken. We are going to see another push to the upside, at least about the $18,000, or maybe we are going more to the upside about the $18,600. If I put the label on here as well, maybe we are going to see Bitcoin go back to the upside to about $18,600. After that, we are going to see a really big rejection to about $12,500, or maybe about $13,000 area from Bitcoin. If I go to my other chart, actually I need to show you something else. I was talking about this ascending, about this rising channel. I told you Bitcoin is playing inside this one. I told you the middle of this channel was working as a really good resistance and was working really good as a support. Now what we can see in here, this channel actually is broken to the downside, and what we can expect from Bitcoin, maybe we are going to see another push, another attempt from Bitcoin to go back to upside to about $18,200, and after that we are going to see another big rejection on Bitcoin to $14,000 area. Another chart I can show you, I was talking about these yellow lines I told you. Now what you can see in here, after Bitcoin was breaking to the upside in here, actually this yellow line as well, this yellow line as well, this yellow line as well, but this one actually was a really good resistance for Bitcoin, which was about a 19.2k area. And after that, what we can see, actually Bitcoin is breaking them back down to the downside. And now what we can see, after this attempt Bitcoin had to the downside from the birds to break this line to the downside, it got failed. Bitcoin went back up to $19,200, and now today what we can see, Bitcoin is breaking this line to the downside and is start going to make a correction to the downside for the bigger correction. And according to this chart actually I've got in here, because we have got this rising wedge actually, which was working really great for Bitcoin. These two white lines, as you can see on the chart, was working like a ascending like a rising wedge for Bitcoin. Now what we expect from Bitcoin, maybe the end of this correction is going to be this area for Bitcoin, which is about a $13,700 area. Maybe after Bitcoin trying to break all of these supports to the downside, is going to stop about this area, which is about a $13,700 area, which we can see is that the upper line of this rising wedge we had Bitcoin was playing inside for the few weeks actually, and after that broke it to the upside. According to this chart, maybe we are going to see the bottom of this correction actually is going to be around the $13,700 area. Now all the cryptocurrency market actually falling to the downside, as I've been telling you. Actually, I told you this resistance actually it was a fake. I told you this resistance, the crucial resistance, is broken to the upside, but actually it was like a fake attempt from the bulls to the upside. And now what we can see in here, I was talking about this 61% of the Fibonacci retracement. I told you this one is broken, the resistance is broken, but it was like a fake attempt from the bulls. Now the cryptocurrency market is going back below the 61% of the Fibonacci retracement from the all-time high we had in 2017. What we can expect from now, all the cryptocurrency market might go back to the upside to another time, about the $530 billion, and after that maybe we are going to see another big correction. I told you I'm expecting to about $50 billion to go out from the market of the cryptocurrency, which we are going to be around the $420 billion of the total market cap. If we go on the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, what we can see in here, actually we have got the 78% of the Fibonacci extension. Actually we have got in here from the March we had the COVID-19 till the top and till the bottom in here. What we can see on the chart, the 78% of the Fibonacci extension was working really great for the total market cap without Bitcoin, actually the altcoins. And now is the total market cap without Bitcoin got rejected with the 78% of the Fibonacci extension and is correcting to the downside. What I can tell you in here, the next time, I think maybe the end of December 2020 or at the starting of the 2021, this time is going to be actually opposite, because it's only my opinion, is not like a financial advice. What we saw actually in November, actually Bitcoin was starting as a leading indicator for all the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was starting to rally to the upside, and after Bitcoin, all the cryptocurrency actually followed Bitcoin. They chased Bitcoin to the upside. Now this time, maybe end of December or maybe the starting of the 2021, what we can see, I think the altcoins, Ethereum and the other altcoins, they are going to start a rally. Maybe we are going an altcoin season by the end of December or the starting of 2021. It's more likely we are going to see a rally from altcoins to the upside. And maybe we are going to see Bitcoin is playing about the $14,000. After that, when alts actually had a really huge run to the upside, Bitcoin chased the altcoins actually, and after that Bitcoin about this area. After the alts made a rally to the upside, Bitcoin starts after that with the big lag, actually Bitcoin start to make a rally to the upside as well. It is my opinion. Actually, if we go on the gold, actually what we can see on the gold chart, gold is trying to go back to the upside, but actually at the moment what we can see on gold, we have got a zone area for gold in here. Now we have got two opinions on gold. Actually, if gold break this zone to the upside, if gold try and break this zone to the upside, after that maybe we are expecting a rally from gold to go back to the upside. But if gold actually break this support to the downside, maybe if gold actually go back down to 1788, after that we are going to expecting actually a huge dump on gold. If I go on the silver actually is chasing gold. Whatever gold do, actually after that silver is chasing the gold as well, and we are going to expect silver follow or chase gold as well. What we can see on the S&P 500, I told you yesterday, is it's because of the coronavirus vaccine actually is going out all of the globe. We are going to see a rally on S&P 500 as well, which is happening at the moment. As you can see on the chart, we have got a really huge double bottom, and now the rally of the S&P 500 has started and is still going up. As you can see, we have got the higher low, we have got the higher high as well, and now S&P sorry, the Nasdaq is breaking. As I told you yesterday, I was expecting Nasdaq to break to the upside, and it's happening at the moment. If Nasdaq close the daily candle actually above this area, which is about the 20,250 area, after that maybe we are going to see a really huge rally from Nasdaq to the upside, because it's like a reaccumulation phase we have got in here. It was playing inside this area, and now I'm expecting a huge rally like we had from here to here, which is about the 6,800 to actually $12,000. Sorry, to 12,000. Yeah. After that, maybe we are going to see what is that, about the 16. At least I'm expecting to 16 actually from Nasdaq as well. If I go and check the Bitcoin dominance, as I told you yesterday, I was expecting a dump from this area, from the Bitcoin dominance, which happened. And after that, I told you maybe when Bitcoin dominance is going to about this area, maybe we are going to see another attempt from Bitcoin dominance to go back up, which is happening at the moment. But what we have got in here, we have got the zone area, and we are going to see another like a sideways action from the Bitcoin dominance. Maybe we are going to see a sideways action, and after that, according to this chart I have got in here, we are going to see another dump from Bitcoin dominance as well. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one, and if you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much guys, and see you in the next one.